Sinigang na salmon is a soup or stew usually cooked with meat or seafood by boiling it with a sour base such as tamarind. It is a common dish of the Filipino culture. A comfort food, the soup helps to keep you warm on a cold night. Cooking sinigang na salmon is easy and it is classified as an oily fish and a good source of vitamins, minerals, and proteins. It is also prepared in several ways including smoking, baking, frying, and making a soup. Let's get started. Marinate for 15 to 30 minutes using 3 to 5 pieces of lime juice and 2 teaspoons of salt, and I add another black pepper powder. Then let's combine the ingredients to properly absorb while marinating it. Fry to brown the fish. Any brand of oil is fine. Now I start to fry the fish. You don't have to cook it very brown or very well. A little bit of a golden brown color is fine. And there you go. As you can see, no need to be fully fried. In the same pan, I'm gonna add onion and fry until translucent. And then I'm gonna add the garlic. And fry until brown. This menu is with the soup, so the tendency is I have to change my frying pan because I need to add more water after that. And then I'm gonna add the fried salmon fish. You also can add tomato if you want, but for now I don't have available tomato. Frying the fish first is to make it more tastier and it won't break easily while boiling it. And then add the green long chillies, and the red chili is an optional. Adding the mixed herb is an optional. This may vary on your taste. But then I'm gonna add black pepper. Then after that, I'm gonna add 500 to 750 ml of water, or it depends on you. But here, as you can see, I use rice water. Rice water is more nutritious and delicious, and the rest is plain water. Some people use salmon fish head or the salmon bones. And then cover and bring to a boil. I will add either salt or fish sauce, whatever is available, but I use the fish sauce And then I add 1 pack of Sinigang mixed powder. This is a sour powder. Then, after boiling it, let's add the veggies. The veggies is upon your choice. You can also use the kangkong. I cut leaves into half, and then I will cook the shaft of the leaf first because it's a bit hard. Some people add labanos or kangkong, but in my situation, whatever veggies available in my fridge. Then let it boil once more. Then after that, I'm gonna add the leaves, the other half of the shafts from just now. Then again, bring it to a boil once more. Once boiled, you can start to switch off. There you go. You can see, don't overcook the vegetable. Ready to serve and enjoy. You can try this salmon fillet, but if you want the more oily, you can use the salmon belly. And thank you for watching and joining me in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and comment if you have any questions. Ingredients are written in the description box below. See you in my next video.